Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, From Drab to Fab with Kiss. My name is Diamond, and if you're new, thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'm going to show you guys how I turn these black linen shorts, drab linen shorts, into these fabulous linen shorts. So I use buttons, and this is pretty much how it turned out. So now I'm going to show you guys what I used. First I used embroidery string, gold. It's glitter gold, 3852, but I love the embroidery string because it's a lot thicker, it's more sturdy, it helps things hold on a lot better. I used peach, like a peachy beige color, and I used black, color 310. So I used all three colors for a reason. All three colors are neutral. You can pretty much use them with everything, wear them with everything. And of course I used fabric glue, scissors, and of course you cannot forget your buttons. So I had a lot of buttons in different shapes and in different sizes. My mother actually gave these to me. She wanted me to pretty much, do something with them. She's had these for years. She told me, I really, I want you to put buttons on my shorts. I'm like, okay. So she pretty much gave me creative freedom on making these shorts. And yeah, this is how it turned out. So I'll just show you guys what I did. So I pretty much took my needles. These are embroidery needles. It comes with the kit, the embroidery kit. And I just strung my needles. And then I went for broke, just sewed them all on. So there was not a particular order that I went in to sew them all on. I just pretty much sewed on the mustard color, and I went around that. And that's pretty much how it turned out. And I mean, you can use whatever you want. You don't necessarily have to use buttons. You can use whatever you want. I just chose buttons. And if you notice the flower in my first video, the skirt that I had designed, there was pearls on this necklace. There was pearls, and the chains that I had, it was all from that necklace, and that particular flower was also on the necklace. I didn't want it to go to waste, so I decided to just go ahead and use it and put it on the shorts to give it more of a oomph and a different look, more of a shock value, so I love the way it turned out. So pretty much after I was done sewing on all the buttons, I went with my fabric glue and just pretty much tacked them all on. So I love the fabric glue because they help everything stay on. And it's Aleene's permanent fabric glue. So you can put it in the wash machine and none of them are going to come off. They're going to stay stuck on there. So I love fabric glue. And yeah, everything's going to stay on. So like I said, I loved the way it all turned out. I did it only on one side because I wanted it to be different. own different look, you know. And this is, I chose all the colors because they're all neutral colors: red, black, beige, blue. I did a turquoise and a light blue color and all of that. And I made these lips. On one of my next videos, I'm going to show you guys how I did these lips. But yeah, I just wanted to add a little bit more to the shorts, just to give it more of a different look, more oomph, add some more oomph to it. That on that lip it says kiss. So I didn't really know which one I wanted to use, but these were the 3 different lips that I chose from. But they all have a particular meaning, or that I have for the shorts. So for the first lip, of course it's the buttons, but I got those buttons off of a necklace, and then I sewed them onto that lip. And the blue matches with everything. And then with that lip, it's the swirls and the gold and everything that matches with the buttons as well. I'm bringing in, and the color. But this particular lip, I'm kind of leaning towards, because of course the red and the neutral colors and the pearls that are in the flower, it kind of bring in everything. So when I show you guys the different options, then I'll show you guys which one I went with. But I think I'm leaning more towards this lip. I like it a lot better because it gives it more, it seems vintage, more of an antique look, like steampunk to me, and I just like the way it looked. So this is option number 1, and yeah, I went with that lip, the one with the pearls. So this is a summery look, very cute. I used the cami, and the cami is silk. If you guys can't see, it's shiny. It's kind of long, so I kind of tucked it in the front, just so that it wouldn't cover up the buttons. And the necklace I added has daisies on it, and it's gold. Has daisies on it, and it's yellow in the middle. And of course I wanted my pop of color, which was the bag, the yellow bag. I mean, I know the pink is a pop of color, but I had my reason for adding the pink. The pink, if you notice, is it has polka dots on it. And the shorts, depending on how you look at it, it has polka dots. It reminds me of polka dots, and that's why I chose my shoe as well. It's black, so black and white neutral colors, and the shoe reminds me, well, not the shoe, but the shorts remind me of polka dots, so it brings in the shoes. The shoe is black, the shorts are black. The white, there are white buttons, and there's white polka dots on the cami. So that was my first choice. And for my second choice, I have mustard colored espadrilles. They're flat forms. The mustard color matches with the mustard colored button on the shorts. And of course the yellow bag, it brings in the yellow bag, and it brings in the necklace, and it matches with the white and the cami, and it's beige. So everything is like all neutral, all comes together, all makes sense. It's safe, but it's not safe, because you have your colors, and it's kind of like out there. And for the third shoe, I added a jelly, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it has grommets. It has spikes on it. And in the shorts, there are clear buttons. And of course, clear matches with everything. You can't go wrong with clear. And it gives it more of a summery look. So you can wear this, pretty much anywhere. Out to eat with friends, to the movies. I mean, pretty much anywhere. It's really cute, really summery, really cool. So yeah, this is for option number 1. So for option number 2, this is more of my business casual look. So yeah, this is the business look for me. And these are my different options for the shoes. They're all neutral colors, pretty much. So I added a cardigan to it. Underneath is a cami. And the cami is a little sheer. It's sheer around the stomach area. So I put the cardigan on, and I added the bag. The bag is copper colored. And if you notice on the first shoe, it's copper. So automatically it's going to bring in the whole outfit. The shoe and the bag match, and there's neutral colored or copper colored buttons in the shorts, and it matches with the pink, and the cardigan is pink and black, so the copper is going to match with the black, so automatically the pink is going to come right in. And the shirt is like a eggshell color. And so, yeah, it all makes sense. The second is a pink. The pink, of course, brings in the cardigan, the shirt, the shorts. The bag is copper. So it all makes sense. And then the third is a black shoe. So it all matches. The third option is the black. It's the black flat. Peekaboo toe. So yeah, this is the third option, number 3, and this is my business casual look. Looks really cute. And you can take off the cardigan if you want, and make it a summery look. Give it a summery look. And if you want it, you can add a necklace as well. I didn't add a necklace because, the bag is enough. So yeah, this is my business casual look. Option number 2. And so, yeah, everything comes together because all of it is neutral. And that's option number 2. So for option number 3, this is pretty much my favorite option. It's my sporty option. This is my favorite. So if you guys can see of course I added the top is a crop top. So it's very flowy. And it's good for the summer. I added the necklace. The necklace is a butterfly, but it's blue and it has yellow and pink. And I add the bunny bag. It's a backpack purse. And it's gold, so the gold is neutral and it matches with the buttons and the shorts. And for the shoe, the first shoe I chose a sneaker, which is the bebe sneaker. But in the back, it's like a leopard print. It's leopard print and it has gold on it. Gold in it. So it brings in the bag, it brings in the shorts, it brings in the mustard color. Because in the front, it's a mustard color. And then for the second option, I added the blue wedge, which if you see in the shorts, kind of like, diagonal from the the mustard colored button, it's a light blue button, and it also brings in the necklace, and of course the beige brings in the bag, brings in the shirt. Everything makes sense. Sorry guys, that's my son in the background, he's having fun. So yeah, and it's perfect. It's a light blue color. It's your pop of color, if that's what you're into, you know, and it all matches together. And for the third option, I put the yellow espadrille with the yellow shirt, the yellow buttons, the gold, the necklace. Everything looks good. It all matches. So yeah, this is pretty much my sporty outfit. So if you guys, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.